I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Microsoft Teams and navigating to the exact channel or meeting where you want the QR code. Once done, make sure you have posting permission, otherwise ask the owner. Open a browser tab for the QR generator or use an image you'll convert. Next, prepare the URL or file you'll link to the QR code and copy it to your clipboard. This immediate setup saves time when you create and share the code in the app. Now you create the QR code. You paste the Teams meeting link, channel deep link, or file URL into a QR generator and select a high error correction level so phones read it reliably. Choose output as PNG and a size of at least 800px for clarity, then download. Once downloaded, scan the image yourself with a phone camera or QR app to confirm it opens the intended Teams item. If it fails, adjust error correction or regenerate with a shortened URL. Finally, upload the verified QR image into the channel conversation, meeting chat, or a pinned tab so everyone can access it. You should add a brief caption explaining purpose and scan instructions, plus any time limits. Make sure to test the posted image from a different device and network to replicate attendees' conditions. If someone can't scan, suggest they clear camera permissions, use a dedicated scanner app, or try a shorter URL. These fixes usually resolve common scanning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.